Hello, good night. Welcome to my practice of English. Today I will talk about my family. Okay, I am Gloria Vargas. I'm 25 years old. I am short and little fat. Now I don't working, but I study in the university in the NAT. I study food engineering. I'm from Colombia. I live in Ibagué. I live with my husband. Okay, my husband, his name is Joan Andres. He's a little tall and a little fat. He's working in telcos. He's technical. He's 25 years old. He has dark eyes and black hair. We live with our puppies and kitties. uh, with Kira, Horus, Ares, and Violet. I live near when I live near my parents and my sister. Okay. My mom is that. This is my mom. My mom live with with her husband and my sister. Her name is Alba Lucero. My mom is short and fat. Her is white skin. She is very responsible and worker. She works in a bank. She is a groomer, and she has dark eyes. Okay. She is my sister. My sister is beautiful. Her name is Angela Paulina. She is tall and thick. She has many tattoos and piercings. She works in a restaurant. She is a waitress. She is uh, 18 years old. Okay. He is my dad. My daddy. My dad is 72 years old. He's old. He has white hair. His name is Hernando Vargas. He is fat and short. Um, my father, my father has a bad temper, but he is a good father. Okay, good night and bye.